Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view the details of your presentation on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the one slide that you would like to work with from your home screen, or you can also tap on the plus icon, thereby creating a new presentation if you feel like to do so, and then view the details of it. So just simply open that one presentation that you want to check and tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the details option, and then you will be able to see a bunch of things such as the type of your document, the location, size, the storage used, the owner, when was it created and modified. You can also see who has access to it and the detailed activity list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.